Y'all, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys what I'll be using to do this look. I'm doing the 2-strand twist with no rubber band method. These are the items that I'll be using and they will definitely be in the description box below. First things first, I'm going to start off with some clean stretch hair. I'm going to go in with my edge control of choice, and then I'm going to go in with my comb to make sure that it's clean. I'm going to do it in sections, split it in half, and then within that half, split it into 2. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm going to start off by working my way from the front to the back. So now that I have my section, I'm going to use my edge control of choice and then put it around the perimeter of the part and the braid or twist that you're going to achieve. And then you guys will see me go back in with the comb just to make sure that the part is clean. And then I'm going to go in with my fingers to melt the product a little bit so that it cannot be white. I'm going to show you guys a close-up later on. All I'm doing is starting off with a braid, and then you guys will see me put some type of cream in his hair to make sure that it's moisturized, and then I'll end it out with a 2-strand twist. Alright, so this is just a close-up. I'm trying to make sure that the hair isn't too tight on the scalp. So now this is the close-up. This is going to be my second row first braid. As I said, I'm going in with some edge control, putting it around the perimeter of the braid. I feel like it gives it a cleaner look, just to make sure that it can last longer as well. After I'm done with the front, I'm going to brush that in, and then I'm going to start braiding down to make sure that it falls in his face. And then I'm just going to start off with a braid. I'm going to braid like 3 times, and I'm trying to make sure that I have a nice grip on the hair. And then when I'm done with the 3rd time, I'm going to split that 3rd section within 2, as you guys see me doing right here. And then you guys will see me go in with some type of cream or product, put it throughout the hair to make sure that the hair is moisturized. And then all I'm doing is just 2-stranding twist all the way down. And then when I get to the bottom of his twist, I am going to coil the end to make sure that it does not come unravel. Alright, so now that I'm done with the first half of his head, I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the opposite side of his head. All I'm going to do is take that out, make sure that the section is moisturized with his leave-in conditioner. You guys can definitely use water, but I have the Carol Daughters leave-in spray. And then all I'm going to do is just split it out within the 2 sections as I showed you guys before, and then I'll start twisting. One thing that I do like to do with his hair, as I am working within the section, I like to pre-part the hair just to make sure that the twist is aligned with the other half of his hair. And then it's just easier for me to just go in, just put my product in, and then just do what I have to do. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I already greased his scalp as I was going through his hair. Now I'm just about to go in with some mousse. Relax. Just to, touch up the top, get those flyaways.
I wanted you to look. Look, I had you out, ooh.
I would definitely say from the last time I did his hair, which is probably some years ago, well, not years, but y'all know, it's in the description box and I'll show y'all here. It is longer even though I did not do the rubber band method, with this one I did the braid and then I edited it out with the twist. The cream that I used was the Dove Amplified, and it's the twist cream, so it's definitely going to moisturize his hair. For a summer hairstyle, you guys could have used a deep conditioner. Y'all know how I'm with the protective styles, but I just used the curl cream or the twist cream, and yeah, that is his hair. I'm going to oil it once again. I'm going to oil it once again, and we done. How your scalp feel?
Oh, immaculate.
Okay, immaculate.
Uh-huh.
Immaculate, okay. I must say his scalp is very healthy, and the twist is juice. If y'all can see at the end, I did coil it, so it should stay, and then if it does loose out, y'all could definitely go back in and coil it once again. But that is it. I did 4 rows of 5, so he has 20 twists in all. And yeah, all right, y'all, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video out to your friends, and I'ma see y'all later.